Hi, in this short video I want to talk about concentration. Concentration is something fundamental. To succeed in any activity we need concentration. And precisely we fail in many activities or many endeavours because we lack concentration. So from a very human point of view, concentration is the coming together of all of our forces. So the more intense the concentration is, the more forces and the more focused are our forces. So by forces I mean mind, emotion, heart, vitality, will, motivation, inspiration, you name it. Good concentration or intense concentration is really something emotional. Good concentration involves all the centres or functions of the human being. So if we're really concentrating, our mind is focusing on the object of concentration. In our emotions we feel like we really want to concentrate on that object. And in our actions, in our body, in our posture, in our movements, we're concentrated as well. So if we're concentrating on something, the body will be in a position or a posture that is congruent or in line with the activity of concentrating. So we won't be we won't be dancing or something like that, or doing aerobics or swaying our arms around, for example, if we're concentrating on a book or on a letter or on a picture or on the TV or on some sort of image. So concentration is really fundamental in any endeavour. So concentration implies a certain degree of self-observation, a certain awareness of our mind, of our emotion, of what we're doing with our attention. Concentration is really about attention, placing all of our attention onto something. And when it's to place our attention or our awareness on something, and also to have a little bit of awareness placed on where our awareness is, on what our mind is doing, on how our emotions are. Because we need that bit of self-awareness, because as soon as the mind starts elaborating thoughts, our attention goes with the thoughts, and then our attention drifts from the object of concentration. And we need to be aware of that. We need to be aware of what our mind is doing so that we can bring our attention back onto the object of concentration. So concentration also applies self-awareness. It also implies self-observation, and it also implies a certain relaxation of the mind, because concentration is impossible when we have 1,000 thoughts going through our mind. The less thoughts we have, the better will our concentration be. So really we attain a deep level of concentration when the mind is deeply relaxed. And then that type of a concentration is natural and spontaneous, and leads into profound reflection on something. So concentration, just to say a few things before we finish this video, is really a deep integration with the object of concentration. It's sort of like we penetrate into it, we deeply unite or integrate ourselves with the object of concentration. We get deeply involved with it. So that's why it is essentially something emotional. If we have a lot of inspiration, a lot of yearning, a lot of emotional motivation to concentrate, then for sure we will. Now we all know how easy it is to concentrate on something we like. We like baseball, the football, soccer, athletics, the Olympics. We can watch it for hours and perhaps not think about the future, the past, going to work tomorrow, what we have to do at work, our family, the mother-in-law, grandmother, etc. We're just spontaneously, naturally concentrating on the game. So that's the real key behind concentration. If you like something, if you like what you're concentrating on, then that will be so much more easier. Okay, anyway, I hope this video has been of some use, and see me in other videos. So, last thing, concentration is really the base of meditation. Okay, thanks. See ya.